Today I am reviewing this Finishing Touch Flawless Dermaplane Glow Sonic Lighted Facial Exfoliator. I started to develop these large patches of dry skin all over my face, and this is step one in removing them when I have a flare-up. What I love most about this dermaplaner is how gentle it is. My skin, like I said, is going through a lot of changes because of perimenopause, and sensitivity is one of those changes. So I love that I can use this for an extended amount of time and it not bother my skin at all. Now, I primarily use it to remove the dry skin flakes when I'm dermaplaning, but I also use it sometimes to remove hair, and it does so effortlessly, and it leaves my skin feeling incredible when I'm done. Here are some of your top questions about this product answered. Does it remove dead skin effectively? The answer is yes, very much so, and it does so gently. As you can see in my demonstration, it removed all of these larger and the smaller flakes from my skin, and effortlessly with no issues. Is it suitable for sensitive skin types? Now, as again I mentioned, my skin has become very sensitive since I've been going through perimenopause, and sometimes even touching it or it gets itchy because of these skin flakes that are here, and if I scratch them, my skin can turn red and feel sensitive. But even while doing this particular facial, I used this dermaplaner for about 30 minutes straight, and my skin felt just fine after. No redness, no soreness. So I'd say it is very suitable for sensitive skin types. Just make sure that you're using light pressure when running this over your skin. Is it rechargeable or is it battery operated? This takes standard AAA batteries, so there is no plug-in chargeable situation available. You can use rechargeable batteries if you'd like, but it does take just standard AAA batteries. Would I recommend this dermaplaner? And I definitely would. I've been using this dermaplaner now for about 2 years, and as demonstrated in this video, it works beautifully, and it removes not only unwanted hair, but these dry skin flakes that build up. It does so without bothering my skin at all. I absolutely love it. I will say that in reading some of the other questions or reading some of the things that people wrote with regards to reviews about it not vibrating, I never personally noticed it vibrating at all on mine over the time of using this. Like I said, I've owned it for about 2 years. Mine has never vibrated. For me, that wasn't an important feature, so that doesn't bother me. But if you are looking for a dermaplaner that vibrates, I would keep that in mind. Since you're already here, you might as well watch another video. I'll just put it right here for you. It's right here. It's just one little click. Go ahead. So we can be together longer, okay? Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.